Hey DIY, that fix-it guy here. Today I ran into something I've never seen before, an inch and a quarter P-trap. That just wouldn't fit. First time ever. I'm going to walk you through what happened, what I did to fix it, and how I got this vanity up and running. So, come along, let's get to fixing. All right, here's what we're working with. This is the underside of a bathroom vanity sink. Sinks up top, tailpiece comes down here, valves in the back, and over here we got an inch and a half drain outlet going into the wall. Now, normally when you're hooking up a P-trap, you either use an inch and a or an inch and a half, but check this out, this inch and a for trap won't go on. 8. Physically doesn't fit, that's wild. I've never seen that on a lavatory sink. Sure, on kitchen drains maybe, but lavatories never, so what gives? Honestly, I think it's the trap itself. Maybe it's just a cheap off-brand part that wasn't manufactured to spec. Whatever the reason, we've got a problem, but we're going to solve it. Since the inch and a quarter wouldn't fit, we're bumping up to an inch and a half trapped. As you can see, that gives us plenty of play. It's clearly bigger than the old one. To make it work, I'm using a reducer washer. This little guy goes from inch and a half down to inch and a quarter. Here's a comparison of the standard washer versus the reducer. You can see the difference, but instead of the hard plastic one, I'm actually using a flexible rubber reducer washer. It gives us a little more wiggle room, and in this case, it fits just right. Pop that into place, and now we're ready to build the rest of the P-trap assembly. We need to cut the waist arm to length. I like to mock everything up first and take a measurement from the trap to the tailpiece. That way we can use an extension tube to bridge the gap. Make sure all your washers are properly installed. Remember, the beveled edge should face into the joint to form a proper seal. Once it all lined up, tighten everything down, and boom, we're in business. And there you have it, where the inch and a quarter wouldn't go. The inch and a half did the trick. Easy fix once you know what to do. A lot of people prefer inch and a half P-traps. Anyway, they're easier to work with and you can always reduce at the pop-up assembly if needed. In small vanities, I'll sometimes use inch and a quarter for space, but in this case, the bigger size worked just fine. So, first time. And there you have it, where the inch and a quarter wouldn't go. The inch and a half did the trick. Easy fix once you know what to do. You ever run into this? Was a cheap trap, an off-spec sink? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you're enjoying these videos, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around for more fixes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.